beer, boys. Been days since I set foot outside in accordance to the frosty words. Look at it. No good. Canada, no good. Too hot or too cold. Maybe 3-4 days of, you know, anything remotely acceptable. Oh, dick. Oh, oh my. The grunt's awesome. Listen to that. Oh, you can hear the Turbsky spooling down for like 14 minutes after you shut it off. Oh, is that awesome. Holy stuff, we got new tires for the rig. They're a little dick. He's running, the air pressure's a little low on the old Duratrax there, boys. Running low pressure on the Duratrax gives you friggin' Compawampus trebs. I like to run about 55. That's what I find the sweet spot is. 60, you get like center wears out. 50, she friggin' wears out, you know, cups the outsides. 55, nice even. But I mean, that's a lot heavier truck too, so we'll see what happens. But these ones come off of Silverado, so it's probably just where she goes. I apologize. Got a couple pieces just banged out there, not too bad. Nobody will ever sant it anyways, but just put a piece of string across here so we could at least try to sort of at least attempt straightness of some kind. So that's good. So we're pretty well ready to give her a couple ticky-tackies, and we'll get those clamps off there. And I got a little piece bent right there for in the middle, right in there, and there's nothing. And then we just got a little patchy poo right there. Got some paint on the frame. I don't even think you can saw it, boys. Look at that. Holy schnikevitz. Hardly even knot this. And over here, knot this a little bit, but barely. You know what I mean? Fuck yeah, boys. My good one. It's turning out to be really my good one, but not really, because like, holy hell. But yeah, a couple ticky-tackies, and then we'll give them more ticky-tackies, I guess. But yeah, we're ready for a tick and attack. Oh no. I was like swinging the hammer and hit the edge of the sheet metal with my knuckle there and just scalpelini'd it. Ow. Oh, it doesn't hurt too bad, but I don't want it to be any worse, that's for sure. Looking good, boys. Looking friggin' good. Well, Javi, check out the fitment, boys. I'm actually quite impressed with myself. That's pretty good fitment for inwood. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, boys? Yeah, we'll tack that on there and get some schmealer on it and do the other side. The other side's, I don't know, a little bit worse, but not too bad. So shouldn't be too big of a deal. I cut her a little shy there. There's a little rusty spot on the end that I misinterpreted because I had it on the ground, and then when I lifted it up, I was like, oh, it's rusty under there more further, so that's good. But yeah, and then we'll cut this out and deal with that, I expect, probably, hopefully, one day. There you go, boys. Just friggin' Deckard. I was gonna friggin' fill her full of Sager butts and Horton's trays and spray foam and you know what I mean, but I fucked up a little bit. It's not too bad. But we'll get this side friggin' banged out. I still gotta do the spot welds on the bottom, but rather than lay on the ground like a stupid goof, I'll get the top done and then we'll put it back up on the hoist. And then we'll stand up, half keeled over, crouching up, but still bent and aiming up in the airwards like a stupid goof. So, but it's way less sparkly. Sparkles fall off you way easier when you're standing up rather than laying down. But yeah, this side, a little more situation down here, but shouldn't be too bad. Not too bad, probably, maybe a little bit. Looks like, yikes, I apologize. Let that dry. He'll hardly be the waste, boys. They want friggin' upwards of $1,100 for a set of friggin' Rockners. And I can still, what I've done can be, you know, cut back further and put the proper procedure on there if so one chose to, you know, partake. But we quit that kind because we're done. This side's done. So I just gotta wait for some poop and schmam to catalyze. Hey, I apologize. Over here, and then we'll do the same thing. Just give her a little spritz of peony, no big dirts, and then yeah, I don't even know what to say. You can submit your apologies. Hey, you can submit your apologies to the grievance section below this video. Hey, if you'd like to maybe partake a couple of your words, maybe. Not safe for the road. Knock it off. Good Lord. Listen to the matter for yourself. But friggin' nice, boys. Inwood custom peony. The good kind, though. That's the only thing. But I'm starting to think maybe people are going to start having funny thoughts in their clients about me driving around in silverados. Probably mostly hot single dudes in my area that want to fuck. We do good work, eh, boys? How do we even do it? How do we even accomplish such awesome tasks for ourselves? It's a good thing I got a whole sheet of that extra floor pan material to fix the frame with too, by the way, unbeknownst. But yeah, boys, I'll smash this movie up, and then tomorrow I'll come out and we'll do the box sides. That'll be the next thing. This one's Santos the Weisner, but this one over here, I don't know, we might just leave it, because like, why make more work for ourselves? You know what I mean? We can do that later. I don't know, but we got that paint. I don't know. We'll see how this side goes, right? If this side goes good and it's not all warped and dicked. So when I did Rusty's box, I just like welded a flat piece, you know, I cut a piece of metal like a U shape, and then I welded it all on there and then just beat that lip over with a hammer, so like it was just dicked, right? The whole side was like a crumpled chip bag. But this one, we got the actual panels. So, you know, hopefully it just goes on there. We'll have to do a little fixie-poo on the intermix cigarette there. Not too bad, probably a little bit bad. Big time bad. And then I'm hoping, I'm probably totally just unglue and delusional big time, but I mean, if we can get this thing banged out tomorrow, finish the little bit we got to do on the Rockners, we'll spritz that shit on there, we'll do the box sides, and then we'll pull her outside. I'll show you how to do an undercurtain, like a proper undercurtain, where you don't need to take the tail lights out or drill holes in anything or fuck all, but it still gets in all the good spots, big time, eh? Let me know what you think about that, eh? Let me know what you think about that. We'll show you undercurtain and the old silverado there, and then once we get this thing done, Sticky. I'm gonna bring Sticky in the shop. Fits him big time. Him's broken, terrible. Not broken, but leaking oil and rusty, big time. Similar situation, except for we're going the diabolical route. So stay tuned for them apples, boys. Any words? Okay, go.